Okay, here's a quick peek inside my incubation unit. Some of these eggs are going to be hatching within the next couple weeks or so. They still look pretty darn good to me. I got some strange mold right there on that one. Kind of mold I've never seen before on an egg. Doesn't appear to be hurting the egg though. So we'll see what happens with that. Might end up hatching a mutant baby or something. See what these here look like. Those don't look bad. That's just a terrible looking clutch. There's another terrible looking clutch. About these here. I don't think any of those are going to hatch. But anyway, right there's all the first hatchet, or all the first clutches. Double clutches are still coming. They'll be here pretty soon. That's 13 clutches right there. Total of 220 eggs.